Nice camouflage, Sammy.
Not good enough if you found me.
Come on, grass and flowers are so realistic.
So I hope you understand that I won't give this cookie back.
Well, I won't praise you for that. If only we could use your skills in a good way.
Do you have any specific ideas?
Only one, but it's really cool. Let's go.
Okay, I'm in.
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make something we haven't made before.
Oh, I want to see too. I'm the one who's gonna make this craft.
Even Sammy doesn't know what it'll be. Do you want a little hint? Watch me. Check this out.
Okay, I got it. We're gonna do some paper recycling today, right?
Wrong answer. Today we're moving to a paper tropical paradise.
Really? With exotic animals and birds? Awesome!
Yeah, and with colorful leaves. We'll make a huge three-dimensional panel.
Wow, I'm so excited too. I'm at your service.
I'm flattered, my favorite crafter. Then help me make the rest of these big pink leaves.
Easy peasy, I'll be right next to ya.
And we'll start cutting the first leaf out. Guys, be careful when you do it at home.
Be patient and don't rush, then your leaves will grow just beautifully. You worked so hard, Susan. Relax a bit, breathe. It's gonna be all right.
Sammy, I just need to finish this leaf and cut out some pieces to make it more realistic. First one is done, but we need some more. You can go on though, it's so refreshing.
Nice tip. I'll go do these too. Thanks, Sue.
Well, it seems like we lost Sammy for a while. Guys, make these holes randomly, but not too many of them, and it'll look perfect. Ta-da! This one is mine and that one is Sammy's. Which one is better? Let's vote.
So we mixed up all the leaves. Our voting is failed.
Guys, and you can just give us a thumbs up if you like them. Thanks for your support.
We'll make this and this one. Oh, and this looks very pretty too. So what kind of a forest has so many different tree species, huh?
We're making a fantasy forest, so let's leave some space for imagination. Here, some leaves will have creases. It gives them more volume.
So this leaf is fine, but I think we should add something. I don't know what. Oh.
Are you saying it's not good enough? Ha! Take that.
I didn't mean that. Why be so dramatic?
Check this out. Now it looks better. You were right.
You scared me to death. I even started to glue the leaves to the base.
I didn't mean to, Sammy. I'm sorry, but you did great.
Clear the way, Susan. Slime is coming.
We're ready to inhabit our forest. Stay tuned. Are you ready, Mr. Slime?
Aye, aye, Captain Sue.
Who lives on the island with tropical trees?
A panther hiding among the leaves.
Who loves eating fruit and nuts every day?
Our dear friend Monkey Bananas, hooray!
Sammy, we're a great duo, don't you think?
Yeah, and I think we've just spoiled the animals we're making for our fantasy forest.
Check these colors out. What animal are we gonna make first?
Are you kidding me, Susan? A monkey, of course.
Well, I think we need more colors. Much better. Now we can make our monkey. These black stripes are for its muzzle. Let's start with it.
It still doesn't look like a monkey face, though. Sorry about that, Sue.
You're always in such a hurry, Sammy. Just wait a bit and you'll see the cute monkey's muzzle.
Oh, I can't wait anymore. I better go and find adventures for myself, too.
What do you think, guys? What adventures will he find? Well, I'm sure Sammy will share it with us anyway. Guys, we should cover the whole empty space using these strips. Overlap them and create a three-dimensional shape.
Hey, now I can finally see it. Nice job, Susan.
And you also kept yourself busy, Mr. Slime. Cute ears.
Thank you. Do you want them? I have another pair.
Thanks, Sammy. They'll fit our monkey perfectly, but why did you make 2 pairs?
I'm preparing something for you. You have to wait, too.
Guys, I might know what it is. Trust me, it's gonna be possum. Did you get it? And we've started making fur. Let's use as many colors as we can.
Yeah, otherwise it would be so boring.
It seems like you were under a paper shower.
That wasn't planned. Guys, you didn't see anything.
Stop making a fuss. We're looking forward to your project anyway.
Then I have to finish it fast. See ya.
And we have some work to do. Repeat the steps, guys. Glue, overlap, mix colors. I guess it's time to use some magic. And... awesome!
Phew, you haven't finished yet. Maybe I'll be the first.
Thanks for the ears, Sammy. They look awesome.
Susan, I won't give anything to you.
You won't give me what?
Eyes, of course.
Not so fast.
Wait, what? Was it allowed to use tricks? If I only knew, I would have finished so long ago.
You never asked. Show me what you got there.
I ate the panther. Sure, it looks so cool, right?
Wow! These are our paper newcomers. The panther is made in the same way as the monkey, just its nose is shaped a little bit differently.
And we won't leave our cute furry friends alone. Meet our new animals in the next part.
I believe I can fly.
I believe I cannot see a parrot we decided to make.
Sammy, remember, breathe in and breathe out.
I'm better now.
First, we're gonna make a three-dimensional base for our parrot.
Got it. And how many of these paper arts do we need?
Till the end of the paper base, which is also the parrot's body. There we go.
So, what kind of parrot is it without a colorful tail, huh?
It's easy. We'll place more strips vertically and some of them will shape the tail. Like this. Here you go.
This is cool, guys. Take some notes.
The body is ready. It's time to take care of the feathers.
So which color should we choose to make the feathers?
Oh, Sammy. Our parrot will be the brightest bird ever. We'll start with the top of the tail and move forward.
So, I want to have a parrot like this, but a real one. It would be so cool.
But I already have someone very talkative.
But I already have someone very talkative. At least I'm not boring. It's time for me to do some magic. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribe-buddy! I'm awesome as always. Hey, Sue, he can't be alone. Let's find friends for him.
You're right as always, Sammy. Here is his green and yellow girlfriend. She's so beautiful. And this is their eccentric friend. Check out his colorful crest and luxurious feathers on his neck. So cool.
And if I were a parrot, I'd definitely be this pink and white fashionista.
And now let's liven up our tropical forest. Let's do some work here. Guys, now we'll add more colorful leaves to our paper panel. It will be the brightest forest ever. Give a thumbs up if you like it.
Sue, can I glue one of these leaves? I really want to help.
Sure, Sammy. I'm really happy that you decided to volunteer.
Ugh, looks beautiful.
Guys, we'll proceed like this until we have all the gaps filled.
Guys, if you like decorating as much as I do, then subscribe to our channel. We'll have more cool videos very soon.
I think our birds will love this paper forest.
So, I'm sure that our panther and monkey will be happy to live here too. We just need to accommodate our animals on the paper panel and it'll be ready.
Wow, Sammy, they look really amazing here. And our monkey also found its home. This pink fashionista is here too. And finally, the panther. Guys, we're done. Now have a closer look. Try to make the same paper panel for your home, guys. And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you want me to disguise as one of our birds. Bye-bye!